One of the visions that we have is also a whakataukī, a proverb that has been regenerated again from our kōrero tuku iho, which is ko te kai hoki waiua, which talks about, in a roundabout way, the abundance of food that we had available to us at a place called Waiaua. And in reflection of that, it's about the kai that we had available here to keep us well, to keep us healthy as a tribe. It also talks about the kai as being knowledge and culture. And one of our kaumātua told me that it also reflects on our manaakitanga to each other, that we have the abundance of food to be able to provide for others, that if we went to visit somebody, his kuia told him, never go alone, you always take something with you. And that's the manaakitanga that you show to that person. Even if you're going there just to ask for butter, you give something back, and